Today we're making a Pegu Club. It's got lime juice.
So proud of you.
And it's orangey.
Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Danny and Derek make you a Pegu Club. This recipe is something we did years and years ago. Me and Ian did it. He won't remember it because I didn't remember it. I didn't
do it.
Sounds familiar.
I did it on TikTok. I liked it. Figured I'd do it here. And this is what started the rest of the recipes for this month, which were
we need more
amaro.
gin.
2 ounces.
Blend it.
What?
We're using a blended gin. This recipe is 2 ounces of gin, 3/4 ounce of orange curaçao, ½ ounce of lime juice, 1 dash Angostura, 1 dash orange bitters. Classic because it uses bitters, and that's why I'm calling it classic. Also, the dry curaçao is freaking awesome, which is actually why I'm building this to begin with, because it's kind of important. Our executive producers, Matthew Mason, Stephen Foisey, and WT Fitz.
Shit.
I
3?
Yeah, I missed my Patreon last month, so because I couldn't log in. Figure that out, and then so I'm like, let's just cover everybody at once because I only have like 15 people.
Why not?
And you know what? I'll scroll those across, and Ian's gonna be all pissed because I just closed the recipe. But
We'll be back to it though.
And then the busted pipe from last week, that was Michael Schwabe, Kyle Jorgensen, and Michael. Just Michael.
Just Michael.
Maybe like I don't know why.
Everybody knows Michael.
Everybody knows Michael. He's
Who doesn't know Michael?
generalist guy.
Yes.
This is from the 20th century, early 20th century. It really helps when you put the other words in there. It changes the meaning.
This is from the 20th century.
It's like a large swath of time. Cocktails were invented and this happened. It's the answer to the gin sour invented in Myanmar, Burma, between Bangladesh and Thailand, for those that don't know where that is.
This is like...
It was at the British Social Club, visited by a lot of British officers, and therefore, that's why it's in such a strange place, using gin and a bunch of normal ingredients. Except for this is from France. It says France right on it.
That's France.
It's really good.
France.
Really good France too.
Yeah. So I really wanted to make it only because of the dry curacao. The other stuff was nice, but we've done a lot of this stuff before. I just wanted to be able to use dry curacao in a cocktail. Hey, how's my new camera working out?
It is fabulous. Look at that.
The glass may have been overkill.
Oh shit! I did not double strain this.
That's okay. I didn't either when I did
I
it.
just single strained it.
So
Why would you need to double strain that? The lime juice?
The answer I got was aeration. It like adds a little bit more aeration.
Oh, okay.
Do you have a double strainer in here? I can redo it.
I don't know if it really.
Next time we'll let you do it.
Okay, we'll aerate the shit out of it.
Yeah.
Look, it's kind of
Pretend.
Nice.
Jump cut.
give it a taste.
I remember right. This was a good one.
How would you remember that? We did it like years ago.
I remember being born too. So.
That's quite the hole you came out of.
Yeah. Hopefully you're smaller.
Yes.
Yeah. It's boozy still. That is actually, I guess it's going to be more sour than last drink because this has actual lime juice in it.
What did we do last time? Did we do?
Whatever the last drink was. No.
The last
yeah.
drink. Okay. Yeah.
That's a little tart.
Tart. Dan likes tart.
Ooh.
Wakes him up.
It's not bad.
No,
It's a little light. Like,
It is.
it's kind of like
I'm thinking of a different
grapefruity.
drink. I think
flat.
it's grapefruity, which is interesting because there's nothing grapefruity about that.
yeah, it's kind of
Yeah.
like a Dorchester without grapefruit
Yes.
and Luxardo.
So this is
And the good taste.
Pierre Ferrand brand.
Yeah.
And they make Plantation. They make the Pierre Ferrand cognacs as well.
Yep.
Always good product. Always
And-
good stuff.
In this case, I think what it does is bringing that dryness to it, and this ends up being kind of boozy forward. I think.
It's just... It's a little tart.
I like this drink better last time.
It tastes like kind of like a little bit of like a watery orange.
I'm wondering how much it has to do with the fact that we drank like such a big 120 proof drink right before this, and if it like we're like
taste buds?
This is?
no,
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
it's just like wait, I should slow down. So this is more
No, she wants another.
traditional like cocktail. But yeah, I think it's kind of
It's
it's
not
got the
bad.
grapefruity taste. It's just
It's very light.
it's light.
just
It
not-
needs one thing.
It's a little
Body.
flat. Yes.
Body.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doesn't have a lot of body.
Yeah. It needs a little bit more curves or something. It's like,
The gin doesn't stand out too much.
It's almost like watery.
The
Yeah.
Curaçao's delicious.
It's like a basic white girl.
Could be.
yeah. It's like a
Throw
basic
some-
white
When that's a
girl.
little tart.
Mix it with some White Claw.
Yeah.
Serve it
Basic
in an
white
nug.
girl without the pumpkin spice.
If you put
Yeah,
if
it's
you
no
put
pumpkin
bubbles in
latte.
that, they definitely drink it.
Oh, yeah. It doesn't
Yeah.
matter what it is.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got bubbles.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, so I don't know. I feel like I enjoyed this drink more last week, and then I started getting down this Amaro, like whiskey, like Sazerac, and stuff like that.
Killed your
And-
taste buds.
Yeah.
well, not all at once, but like just the mood kind of switched. I'm like feeling more like that type of stuff.
Just a
now.
little bit, definitely more summery.
Because
Yeah.
Amaro
Yeah.
tastes like Christmas. It's the best.
It must be the. It's got to be the Christmas thing.
Like
the cold-
wintry,
cold weather
it's
drink.
great.
Yeah.
This
It
is good. I like this better than that.
Yeah, I know. The
Individual
Curaçao is great.
ingredient better
Yeah.
than the
We
cocktail.
will have to continue seeking for more dry curacao drinks to build. I'm sure you can find some if you just start searching dry curacao. Maybe even ones that fit with bourbon or something. So, sidebar, more videos. Oh, use our coupon code Amaro and you can get yourself like glassware like this and bitters
Everything.
like that at austradrinks.com. 20% off till December 15th, 2022. So you want to do that. That's
I
it.
didn't talk
I like
about
that.
that.
I like that you put the year in now.
You should have made the Boulevardier today.
So we're doing that today.
There's always time. It's on my list, but it depends on how drunk we get.
That's a great one.
See?
Or don't get.
Or no, oh, that's true.
The less drunk we are, the more drinks we can make.
Fair.
True.
Wow, look at you.
It's very paradoxical right there.
So we'll flip
Not
to the
as fun, though.
sidebar
Very
What's
mature
that?
of you.
Not as fun though.
so we can get to our next drink. We're teaching you how to drink.